Yeah, now let us see how to do this problem. What it is given, if A and B are the two sets containing 6 and 3 elements respectively is given. 6 and 3 means what I can say? I can say that n of A, what is n of A? Number of elements in set A is 6, it is given, and n of B is what? 3, it is given, right? So what can be the minimum number of elements in A union B? We need to find, and find the maximum number of elements in the A union B, right? So what to do? We need to find the minima and the maximum number of elements in A union B. For finding this, what we need to do, if you remember, okay, remember, we need to find number of elements in A union B. So if what is the minimum number of elements and what is the maximum number of elements? So this can be minima, okay, or this can be maxima. How I can say maximum or maxima? How I can say it depends on it depends on A intersection B only. Is it okay? Compulsory it will be depends. Why? Because if you remember in the previous session, I have done one formulas thing video. You can check into it. We have a standard formula. What is the formula? N of A union B is nothing but what? N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B, right? So they are asking us to find what? N of A union B. For finding N of A union B, N of A is given, N of B is given. So completely it depends upon A intersection B, right? So we will consider this into two steps. We will solve this into two steps. What is the step one? So let us consider let us consider A intersection B is minima. Let us assume it is having a minimum values. So can you tell me what is the minimum value in the intersection? Obviously, minimum value will be what? Zero. No, minimum means least value. So I can say in the two A sets, the intersection will be what? It will be zero. Let us assume. So that is an empty set. Empty set, what is the meaning here? Number of elements, n of A intersection B will be 0. Are you getting my point? If this is the case, what I can do? Let us substitute in this formula. What is this? N of A union B is nothing but what? N of A will be how much? This will be 6. And N of B will be how much? This will be 3. Is it okay? Yeah. So from this, what I can say, minus n of A intersection B will be what? It is 0. So 6 plus 3 will be what? There will be what? It is a 9. Are you getting my point here? Yes. So if A intersection B is minimum, this is a minimum value. Now what we will do? Let us consider the next case. What is the next case? See, we can get it can be minima, or we may get it can be maxima also. What is the step 2? Actually, this is, I'm sorry, it get doubled. Okay, just avoid. So let us consider. What should I consider? Let us assume that A union B is the maxima. Let us assume. Okay. If this is maxima means obviously A set contains how many elements? 6 elements. B set contains how many elements? 3 elements, right? What is the intersection? Maximum intersection will be what? 3 elements. Other than 3, nothing will be maxima. Why? Because if you ask, ma'am, 4 we have here means, but there is no fourth element. Is it okay? So what I can say, 3 is the maximum number of elements in this. So from this n of A intersection will be what? 3. Are you getting my point here? Now let us consider. So what is this one now? N of A union B. Let me change the color. Will be what? Simply n of A. What is the formula n of A? That is 6. N of B will be what? 3. Minus n of A intersection will be what? 3. So from this what I got? I got 6. 3 minus 3. I'll be removed. Is it okay? Are you getting my point? So the minimum value for n of A union B will be 9 and the maximum value for n of A union B will be what? This will be 6. Is it okay? If you want, I can give you one smallest example here. Let us take a set which is 1, 2, 6 elements of 4, 5, 6. Is it okay? Now let us consider a B set. Let us say, sorry, 7, 8, 9. Okay, because I am doing for this case. What is the meaning here? Intersection will be minimum element will be 0. So if you consider the union, A union will be having what? So totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many elements are there in this? N of A union B, we are having 9 elements. This is the example here. Actually, example is not needed. Actually, for your understanding sake, I am giving here. Okay. So now let us consider for this, what will be the example here? Let us take A set as what? I can take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because they said 6 elements. And in common, how many are there? 3 are there. So let us take B set as 1, 2, 3. Okay. Can you tell me number of elements its union? Its union will be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the minimum and the maximum values. Is it okay? Thank you.